If the end of the month comes after the system has been commissioned and the customer and you all agree that the savings were matching what you had predicted, do they then cut the first monthly check in the second month after they've seen the results?
Well, if they've elected the one-time payment option, they'll pay us the whole thing at that point.
Okay.
But if it's the payment from savings option, then essentially they'll cut a check either monthly or quarterly, depending on how we have spaced. The size of the facility and the size of the investment, that will determine whether it's monthly or quarterly payments. We would prefer quarterly payments. So they'll wait for a quarter and then pay us at the end of the quarter.
So if I'm hearing this correctly, the phase one savings analysis is done on your time. The deep dive investment grade audit is done. Writing all of these algorithms over what, multiple weeks or months, depending on the size.
4 to 6 weeks, yes.
4 to 6 weeks. Commissioning it, benchmark and testing it for at least a month, and they may not pay until the next quarter, three months out from when it's commissioned. So again, pretty incredible from the standpoint of a CFO or an executive in a C-suite.